everybody, time for our Yogic Arts workout. This is the mother system for our Keto Kids yoga program, and here's this amazing new deck that my husband just built in our backyard at our school. And I have my cool essential oils. So when it's hot outside, the peppermint vitality, just put a little bit of that on the back of your neck here. Now that you have it on your hand, breathe it in, being careful not to rub your eyes, and begin. It's a great way to do your workout. And we have, first we're going to do a little bit of the core workout, because this is what I'm working on. 2 weeks. Lift, lift, lift. Tongue to the roof of the mouth and exhale through the nose. And then legs, scissor legs, and opposite arms. So, we go 1, 2, 1, 2. Lengthen and strengthen. The goal is to work out 4 times a day for the next 2 weeks, and let's do it together. Let's see the results. And then bicycle. Some of these are the same things we do with kids, but we use the yoga rhymes. If I were a bicycle, where would I go? Pedaling, pedaling, where the wind blows. And relax. That's one set. You can do this 2 weeks, 4 times a day. Different exercises. Follow our series. Love you. And with some greens from the garden. Thank you, Felipe. That's going to give you a beautiful alkaline boost. And delicious meal. Plus some chopped garlic. Oh yeah. After your workout, if you're feeling a little bit dehydrated or just it's really, really hot outside because we just passed the summer solstice, then remember the peppermint vitality that I just showed you. This is labeled for consumption. So this is the purest essential oil in the world and grown on their very own farm. So farm fresh to you, we say. So some fresh water and 1 drop and no more. And with 1 drop, cheers. Oh yeah, that's really refreshing. So it goes in your body, so I can feel the essential oil that I put on the back of my neck when I was doing the workout in the backyard on the deck, and I can feel it's very cool. That's cooling, and so now I'm getting the cooling energy in my body. So 2 weeks, 4 times a day. Let's do this. Follow the series.